Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are out here for another Chokoloskee trip. Just finished putting the boat in. We're a little bit earlier than normal. I wanted to see if we can get a couple snook with the sun going down. And on top of that, at least we get to run out with the daylight, which makes a nice little change of pace. So goal is we're gonna fish a little bit of the outgoing tide, which we have right now. It's gonna be low tide at Pavilion at 9 p.m. Then from there we'll take a little bit of a breather and let that tide come in for about an hour, and then we'll commence on the nighttime snook fishing, which is what we're here to do. We're in we're in June, so last week of June to be exact. Full moon is tomorrow night, so we have like 99% moon tonight. But the goal is to get those big spawning females, letting Pete do some driving on the way out, being that he can see what's going on. So when it comes to the nighttime part and the no visibility, that's where I step in, because Crazy Mike taught me this place many moons ago. No GPS, no nothing, just the moon, the snook, and us. So hopefully when this camera turns back on, there'll be some afternoon snookies cooperating. Probably won't be those big females that we're looking for, but we can hope for the best. Just a real quick note, water condition in here looks pretty junky, to be honest with you. So water's really brown. Looks like we got a lot of fresh water mixed in here. The clouds are right now, I would say, more than partial cloud, or should I say more than partial cloudiness. Looks like we got a little rain to the north and a little bit of rain to the southeast, but that's what's the goal. The goal is for it to, or should I say, the goal is for us to be out here early enough where this rain will rain itself out. It might just be one of those beautiful afternoons, and not that we do this during the nighttime, but jig head with a little DOA cowtail seems to do the trick during the day. So all right, y'all, later. Little guy.
Well, it's not bad.
Little guy on the jig.
Minutes, we already have a snook.
I mean,
not bad.
We've been here 10 minutes,
Been 10
15,
minutes,
20
we already
casts,
got a fish.
and already got one in the boat.
It's gonna be a good night.
On the jig. Might be a good night.
I thought it was a lizard.
All right. If
That's gonna be a big
I had a fish tank, we'll definitely put that inside of it. Look how little he is.
Oh, that's one of the smallest snooks I've ever seen.
It's definitely the smallest snook I've ever caught. Oh no, don't want to hurt. Don't want to hurt. Don't hurt you. Look how little he is, bro. Look how gorgeous that is, man. Thing's like 6 inches long. Be a great bait. Come on, buddy. Grow back. Be big.
Fish, trout, fish.
Trouty.
Got a nice trout. Oh, it's a big trout. Yes, sir.
Nice trout. On the top water.
On the top water plug. I'm gonna let you go, baby. You gotta. I do. Well, there he is. The first victim of the night for me. All right, let him go. Grow up and get big.
Might be a nice snook.
Oh yeah.
Or a really, really big trout.
Pulling or?
Just kind of sitting there like a red almost. Or a really big trout. No, a big snook. Big snook.
Nice.
12, 13, 14 pounds. Big snook. Woo, baby! That's what we're here for. Chokoloskee. On the bait buster. Mikey would be proud. He'd be like, bro, I taught someone what to do.
Oh, yeah, top water's a dry, huh?
Well, this fish just woke up. He realized he was hooked. Get the net for this one, Pete.
You think you need it?
You didn't see how big he was, did you?
Get him in my hand, bro. Come on, daylight. It's daylight. Come on.
Okay.
Get him with daylight. Or you want me to get the net ready anyways?
I'll get the net ready just in case. On the bait buster in the daytime. Bro, you don't get too many fish like that. Look how high the bait buster is. Ooh, big fish.
Top water.
Nice, big fish.
You hit the side again.
Get him.
Big old mama. Okay, bring him.
No, leader.
Oh.
Slip him.
Okay, wait a minute.
No, slip him. Put your hand in the boat. Woo! No, you gotta turn it, Pete, to the camera. Let Denny back up for a second. That's a nice big fat girl right there. On the bait buster, baby.
I'm gonna need pliers.
What do we see?
Here.
Wait, give me one
Grab
second.
them, and I'm gonna get the pliers.
No, I think I can get it out.
Here.
Oh, she's definitely a big girl. Nice big female. Nice big mouth.
Beautiful.
Come on, Pete, stand up in here.
That's good.
Look
That's
at
good.
that,
No, let's go. We'll get some more. What I like is daytime.
All right, here you go. You want a reviver or no?
No, you revive her. Your fish. What the Here you go.
He's
I
like,
grabbed them for you.
all right, there's no reviving that one. Go up, baby.
All right, Al. Okay.
One down, let's go.
Okay, I want to put it out. Get this shit.
They're here, buddy, they're here. Yeah.
It's a little one. He's hooked like a club. He's going nowhere. Well, not as nice as the other one, but it's still a fish. A fish is a fish, right?
And what was it on? The bait?
The one that you didn't want me to put on. A little one. We'll let him go, grow up. Then we're gonna do quick release. All right.
Go reel, no reel, he's on the lure. He might have it in his mouth. I'm like, I felt him eat it.
Come on. Ooh, he wants to go. Let him go.
Yeah, we had a little bit of a uh-oh, and I was gonna say we kind of high and dry right now. Well, not high and dry, but we are definitely stuck with the last of the outgoing, trying to get a little shallower than we should have been.
We could push him.
But it definitely kind of worked in our favor because some real bad storms to the east of us, or inland should I say, and a lot of lightning. So, but far enough away where we shouldn't have any issues. But this will give us plenty of time to relax, give us about half hour for the water to start coming in, and then hopefully the big girls will continue to hit throughout the night. So hopefully there'll be lots of drag screaming. That's a lot of lightning, like a lot. Ooh, yeah, no bueno. Nice big girl. On the rattle, baby, on the rattle. With the rain, the lightning, the thunder, all of it, bro. Alright, I don't know what you gotta do, but someone's gotta get the net. The light on top, right by the light was on top. Or Danny's got it.
Oh, he's got it. Okay, go where are you?
Alright, Danny, you're the light guy. Give him another second. So, we get all the rain. We've been eating crap for the past like hour. Grab the boga. And your pliers if you got them. But we finally did it, bro. It's worth it. Whoever said fishing is easy hasn't come out in the darkness.
Hold them.
Got him.
Okay. Oh shit.
Here you go. Hold the rod for me, Pete.
Yeah.
Put the light up here, Pete. There she is, guys. About a 12 pounder, 13 pounder maybe. Nice and foamy. And it's gonna be a quick release because she's gotta go. Woo! 2 big ones tonight already. Oh, wow. Catfish at night. Dirty gato. How do you know you're working the rattle trap good? When you get them to the bottom, you get these pieces of crap. But everybody's got to eat. So far, I'm 1 for 3 here. Using the Old Faithful. Got a pretty good fray on there, but you know how that is. Use it till you lose it. To the next one. Pete, can you put that away, please, and help me out with this fish really quick?
Where you want to go?
Get the net.
Oh,
Yes, I'm close. Not I wouldn't ask for it. Rattle trapped in her throat.
that's a big one.
Oh, and he got in the net after I lost the fish. That's 2 times. 2 times.
I caught this fish, not out.
Put that fish in the boat. Look, look, look.
I caught the
Rattle
fish.
trap in my hand. The fish went in the net.
Oh my God.
Put it in the boat. That's a big girl.
That's a big girl right there.
Hold it now.
Oh, see? You got him?
Yeah, hold on.
Don't let go.
Big girl. That one there is 16.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what it is. You want to see exactly what it is?
Yep.
Let's do it. Let's do it. How much you think it is?
14 to 16 pounds.
16. Okay. This is a big fish.
That's a big fish. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Well, look at it. I am holding.
I see 15. I can't see 16, so 15 pounds.
There you go. There you go. You can see?
Yeah, 15. I see the 15 bouncing up and down. Just shy of 16 pounds.
All right, grab it. You're gonna let
Get
go.
the tail really fast. So we get the
what?
Get the tail really fast. So we can hold her up for the video. Oh, look at that, bro. Big girl, bro. Big nasty girl. That's what we come out here
and
for.
he wanted to move. Okay, it's yours. Oh my God. This is a big fish.
Pete's the man on file. Big Hercules fish on the rattle. I'm thinking stingray.
Oh,
I'm thinking stingray, big eagle ray maybe.
something.
And hooked somewhere like in the fin. Or the fin, the wing.
Oh my God. All right, pull the light and see where the light is, all right?
Stingray.
Stingray.
Hooked in the X.
Oh my God.
Nice big slob, bro. Put him in the...
Okay, give me a light. Give me a light.
Can oil.
Because I like. All right, bro.
Good job, Pete. Wait, he has to tell you the story about how that fish got hooked up. Because,
well, you know, sometimes things are meant to be. And eventually,
wait,
big
is
girl
it?
right there, bro. Big fish, bro.
He was stuck on the bottom for like 5 minutes trying to tug on it.
Finally get it out.
I guess that fish must have heard the rattle
Oh, you got
rattling around.
Cause
Should I say against the oyster bars?
Can you get this with the pliers? Cause I'm right-handed. I'm holding this bitch here.
Show that fish.
Let's show that fish good.
Nice, big, fat female. Bro, beautiful. What do we come out here for, man? We don't come out here for the little one.
Wow.
I'm saying she's
That's
16.
Let me see in the boga. Let's see what she weighs on.
Cookie cutter to the other one we caught here, the fatter. So if the other one was pushing 15.
What are the numbers? Oh, here it is. Okay.
15?
Yeah, 14, 15. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put her back.
Another one bites the dust. Oh shit. Can you get a view of that, Danny? That's how they swallow that thing. They put it in the back of their throat. Then, Pete, you got the pliers?
No, you know what? What happened to the ones I gave you, those loose ones?
I don't know, they're probably on the floor somewhere. Can I borrow yours really quick?
Here, put up.
I gotta get the hook out of his mouth.
Fishing, bro.
Oh, Pete.
Biting.
Got it? Came out in one shot.
Leave off the flashlight over there.
That
What
would be,
happened to the other one I gave you?
that'd be a nice keeper.
Yep.
Top of the slot fish, maybe. If he's not legal, he's just over legal, but nice top of the slot fish. We're back at the dock. It was one of those nights. The weather postponed just about everything we did. I mean, the rain was non-stop there for a little bit, and the lightning, well, let's just say if we had some close calls that I didn't think we were actually going to make it home tonight. Some of those lightning bolts were so close that you'd look up and all you saw was white and red, and you're blind and from how bright the light is and how close the lightning struck. Overall, just when we're going to call it quits because of the weather, we decided to hit one spot. Fish turned on. Slowly after that, the moon came out. We ended up going, I think, 50%. So we got either 5 for 10 or 6 for 12. And of course, the last fish of the day, Pete hooks a giant that takes him into the trees. I mean, definitely the biggest fish of the night. Apart from that, most of the fish were in the range of 13 to just shy of 16, that 15 and a half. But fish were chewing, bugs were chewing, and we're looking forward to next month.